Okay, so today we're going to be focusing on a literature standard. We're going to be doing RL.6.1, which covers explicit and implicit text evidence. Now, I'm going to put the video right here when I finish making it. So here I've made your pacing calendar. If you press present, you can see the whole thing laid out. I'm going to click escape now so we can get to the rest. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do your bell ringer. So you are going to click here for your bell ringer, and it should bring you to a Google form. Now, yes, it says first name, last name. So first name, cheese, I don't know. Last name, pizza, period, 5, 6. Come on, I think I'm funny. Then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to watch this video. You're going to answer these questions. And then you're going to press submit. So now I wanted to go over explicit and implicit text evidence because that's what our standard is going to be about. So as I press present here, I want to go over that because in any piece of text, sometimes it will be informational text, which would be an RI standard. Sometimes it will be literature-based text, which is an RL standard. You can find implicit and explicit information. Now, if we're talking about explicit information, it is clearly stated. So there's no room for confusion or questions. It is one of those right there in the text answers. It was a bright and sunny day. We know the day was nice because it tells us specifically here that it was bright and sunny. Now with implicit, it's a little different. You have to make an inference, which means that it's not stated in the text, but you need to use your background knowledge. Like it says here, implicit is implied or suggested, but it's not clearly stated. It doesn't give us that right there word for word answer. So yellow lights streamed out of the window and woke Martin up. Now, yellow light, we can make an inference that, well, there's light outside. We know light occurs during daytime. It was a big yellow beam. We know that the sun's rays often come off as yellow. It streamed out of the windows. It woke Martin up. Sun can often wake people up through eyesight. Now, after I go through that, and you go through that video that you were supposed to watch on the bell ringer, you're going to read here this passage called A Year Redacted. Now you can press this and zoom in to read. And this is how most people like to do it. And please don't forget that there's a little piece up here. Or you see where it says read aloud, click here. You could click this link. And I've read the whole entire thing for you. And it's in big text. So the text you can if you want to, but it won't do any good. So after that, what we're going to do is you're going to use these highlighter bars, and you have questions to answer. 1 and 2 are here, 3 and 4 are here. And so you can press present to read them. Like this one says, read the following sentence from the story. Worst case scenario, the reaction would simply obliterate of all of space and time. Replacing the word obliterate, which one of the following words would change the meaning of the sentence. So for example, the word obliterate means to absolutely destroy and get rid of. So if we replaced it, worst case scenario, the reaction would simply obliterate all of space and time. Would destroy change it? No. Would eliminate change it? No. Would wear down change it? Or would wipe out? And so whenever you had your answer, you would click out escape, and you would take this little highlighter bar and you would move it here. Or move it to whichever answer it was. You're going to do the same thing for question 2, question 3, and question 4. After that, you are going to fill out this exit ticket. I want you to restate the question. So if it says list one concept you don't understand. One concept that I don't understand is, and you would finish that. I'm going to zoom in a little. Oops, just kidding. I want you guys to have complete sentences. If you read it here, it says, if you do not write this in complete sentences, there is no way you are getting full credit. After that, you could read an AR book. Click here. And I recommend this one. It's my favorite. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.